If you've ever felt overwhelmed by scattered tasks and projects in ClickUp, today's tutorial is going to show you how to bring order to the chaos by using folders. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to create folders in your ClickUp workspace, understand why folders matter, and how they can seriously boost your productivity. By the end of this video, you'll be able to keep your projects and data neat, organized, and easy to find. So let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your ClickUp workspace. This is your main dashboard, the place where all your teams, tasks, and projects live. If you're new to ClickUp, your workspace is often the first thing you see after logging in. It's designed to keep everything connected, but without some structure, it's easy for things to get lost or jumbled together. Now, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see your different team spaces listed. These are like high-level categories or departments for your organization. Finding the little plus sign plus beside your team space is key here. Clicking this plus sign essentially tells ClickUp, I want to add something new to my workspace. When you click on the plus sign, you'll see a few options appear. This is where you select folders. Think of folders like big virtual binders. They're containers that help you group related projects or sets of tasks together. For example, maybe you want a folder just for marketing campaigns, or maybe for all your upcoming product launches. Choosing folders is the step that starts the organizing process. Now, here's the part to pay special attention to: naming your folder. You'll be prompted to type a name, and this is much more important than it might seem at first. Don't just type miscellaneous or stuff. Give your folder a meaningful name that matches what you'll use it for. For instance, if you're running multiple client projects, name this folder something clear like Client Projects Summer 2024. The more specific and descriptive you are, the easier it will be to find things later on. Imagine coming back in 6 months. Will the name still make sense to you and your team? That's the goal. Once you've entered your folder name, just click Create or Save, depending on your version of ClickUp. Congratulations, you've made a new folder. This small but mighty tool will help you store specific projects inside your workspace. From here, you can add lists, tasks, and documents right into your new folder, keeping everything that belongs together grouped in one easy-to-access spot. And here, why this matters. When you organize your work in folders, you cut down on hunting for lost items and accidentally mixing up unrelated projects. It's like sorting your socks and shirts into different drawers. Each thing has its own place, making your workflow smoother and your team's communication much clearer. That's really all there is to it. Creating folders in ClickUp is quick, but the impact is huge, especially as your projects grow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want tips on even more advanced ClickUp features, drop a comment below. I always check and reply. And if you're serious about leveling up your organization skills, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.